excited. This box right here, I've been waiting on for, I don't know, 2 months. So stoked, so stoked. I just got home from work. I've not changed anything. It's time to open this box up. There they are. Yes, yes. Isn't that exciting? Oh wait, you don't know what it is. My friend and I had an idea for some fishing lights. These are the fishing lights. So I contacted a lighting company called Nilight. I don't know if y'all have ever heard of them. I love their lights. Think of a rigid light without rigid price. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Incredibly bright. I just swapped out a couple lights on my little tractor. Some 18-watt LED lights, floodlights, no big deal. I put 18-watt Nilights on it instead. Oh my gosh, 4 times brighter out of 18 watts. Sorry, I'm like jerking the camera around like that. I apologize. I'm crazy excited. Look at that. Let's open one up. Okay. Here's one. Come on. Open. I actually ordered a pair. I have 2 pair. So, before I open this, let me also say, Nilight is an amazing company. This is the mounting bracket. Oh yeah, these are the really crappy lights I pulled off. They suck. This is their mounting bracket. The last lights I bought from them, this had been tapped a little too shallow. I contacted them. They sent me 2 whole new mounting brackets, everything. And I told them all I needed was this. They sent me absolutely everything. For free. This, what we got? What is that? That's Allen wrench, mounting, hardware. All right. So this is not the design. I don't think this is the design that we had agreed upon. It was a 6 LED. What they gave me was not a 6. So they had to make a whole new board for this light, and I'm going to show you why. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come on, get out. Okay. So you might be wondering, why do they look different? Here's why. That is either white or black. I forget what they went with. I wanted black. They might have done white. I don't know. That is red. And I told them I needed 3 wires. So there's my 3 wires. So one of these, that's common obviously. One of these is to light up one of these is to light up the other. Oh, buddy. Yes. Alright, I'm going to get these soldered up so I can start doing some testing. And we can see how bright these insane lights are. Oh my gosh! So excited for these. This was an idea. I contacted them and I said, hey, I love your lights. I have a new product idea. Would you want to make it? Surprisingly, they said yes. So, dude, these are amazing. Absolutely stoked to have these. And I'm gonna try these lights out like right now. I'm about to break out the soldering iron, put some leads on these, put some terminals on the leads. Oh, I can't even think right now. I'm so excited. I think it's been 2 months. It's been 2 months. I was thinking it was longer. It's been 2 months I've been waiting on these. Not waiting, but we had to actually design these and go back and forth on a couple things. So it's literally been 2 months between the first email until now. And I just got them. Okay. So we've got red. And there, oh, I want both. Oh, and there's the white. There we go. There's the white. There's the red. So that is our idea. A light that's got red and some other color. In this case, it's white. We were kind of hoping for black lights, but you know what? White lights will be fine, because that way if we need to run whites for something, I mean, it'll bring every bug in from everywhere, but so will a black light. But the reds, I've looked them up. Most bugs are unable to see reds. They can see black light just fine. So, you know, we were hoping for the black light just for the monofilament, but you know, I mean, this should be good, because really what we need is we needed a way that we could see what we're doing at night when we're night fishing, be it bass, be it catfish, be it whatever, but not have bugs all over us. So I think this will work. I'll have to do another video, but I want to get this up. I want to say a huge thank you to Nilight. This is amazing. I am looking so forward to using this, and man, this is exciting. This is I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Especially when we put them on the boat. We'll put every one of these lights on the boat. I'm gonna have to do a video of all the lights we have on the boat, and we're adding more lights on top of these, on top of the lights it already has. It already has interior lights. These are the exterior lights. We did the interior lights where we can either have the port side or the bow. Gosh, sorry, I'm not even thinking. Where we can either have the port or the starboard side lit up, or both. But that way, if we're fishing off the port side, we'll light up the starboard side and broadcast some light. But as low as the interior lights were, you know, they're LED rope lights, as low as that was, it wasn't quite blasting the light out far enough, and we were still kind of getting hung up in some branches we couldn't see. So these will be primarily facing outward. So we'll have, you know, on each side, we'll have one at the front, one at the back, on both port and starboard side. We're going to play with location. We're going to play with how it's going to be mounted. We're kind of thinking gimbal. We're not real sure. I might make a housing to mount these in out of carbon fiber. I don't know. So we're just got to wait and see. We got to play with some stuff, but I promise I'll make some videos of us testing them. We're going to go this weekend, but it's going to be early morning, so we're not really going to be using the lights that much. So we'll see. I couldn't close this video out without showing at least a little demo of these lights at night. I had to wait for dark. Man, I don't really want to wait right now, but I'm just so excited. But anyway, so here is, what color is that? That's red. That's the red. Alright, so it's sitting in my Jeep. It's pointing up. That's the red. Okay? Let's go to white. There's the white. I mean, we're talking daylight. Again, no trickery. It's that little bitty light. Oh, sorry. Holding on the battery. That is the white light. Let's go back to red. Yo! I shorted something. Oh no. Okay, so my negative terminal fell on the positive battery cable. Yeah, but it still works. And so does the white. Haha. Back to red. I don't screw it up again. I mean, look at that. Do you think that's bright enough? Do you think we're going to have enough light? That's off one light. We're putting 4 of these on the boat. Are we insane or what? It's gonna be awesome.